The entire journey started on October 20th, 2013, and yesterday when I was driving back, it glimpsed me something. Hey, what's the date tomorrow? It's 19th of April 2015. And what was the date for the first program? 20th of October 2013. And when I wrote the project charter for this particular project, it was 11th of August 2013. That time I decided that we'll begin this sessions or series of programs, Balutedars, 12 Balutedars and 18 months. And the only reason that I was telling you about all these dates, now if you count these dates, 20th of October 2013 to 19th of April 2015, today is the exact last day of 18th month. So it happened, if you trust me, there are situations where we say that well begun is half done, and the beginning well is all about project chartering in the project management principles. So if you define your project well, if you get committed well, if your definitions are quantitative, if your understanding of the constraints and the environment is pretty clear, then the destiny helps you, and then something comes true that they say that universe conspires. And trust me, we never decided this date of 19th of April by counting this last day. I was always under impression that I missed the deadline, because I was counting from October. So if you count from October, then March end should have been the 18th month. And then it realized, hey, I have not started on October 1st, I have started on October 28th. So that kind of manipulative project manager came in front. No, don't count from October 1st, count from October 28th. And then it started. A quick concept, some people know about these Balutedar, some people may not know about these Balutedars. Balutedar word came from Balabhuta. Balabhuta, Bala means power, Bhuta means being. So competent personality means Balutedar. And we had an economic system that was prevailing in India and the adjacent continents, that these people who were Balutedars were earning their livelihood by rendering services to the society and the community. They were competent because ages over ages, generations over generation, they were doing that particular business. The learning curve generally has reached the peak in these Balutedars. Who were those Balutedars? Goldsmith, blacksmith, priest, so many. There are more than 43 when I studied about these Balutedar. Most of us are aware about 12 Balutedars, and that was the reason behind creating that particular project, 12 Balutedars in 18 months. So many of participants asked me, is this the last Balutedar? I said no, this is the last deliverable. Closing is yet to happen. Right? So closing ceremony will happen sometime in coming 2 months, where probably I am thinking of presenting the best of Balutedars from 20th of October 2013 till today. I have the glimpses, I have the video recordings. So whichever interaction that I found the best, I would like to present it to you, and that probably will be the closing ceremony, but that will happen next time. Now coming to Balutedars of 21st century, these were the Balutedars of 21st century. We started with ship captain, then we had a wonderful interaction with Sanjay Jadhav, cinematographer. Then we spoke with railway engine driver, Vinayak Dikshit. We had wonderful interaction with Umesh Zirpe, the leader of the first civilian expedition ever to the Mount Everest in India. We had interactions with fighter pilot, Mr. Sharma, Wing Commander Sharma ji. We had flamboyant interactions with Dr. Kelkar, chief of Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital. Then Vineet was here, Vineet Kulkarni, who is an umpire. So I think he is umpiring in this IPL season also at a T20 session, it seems so. 8th was cyber fraud investigator, Vaishali Bhagwat, advocate Vaishali Bhagwat was here. 9th was Dr. Nikhil Late, the man behind the fitness of Olympic athletes. Gagan Narang or Sushil or Mary Kom. So he presented lots of cases. That was amazing interaction, how he makes them keep fit throughout the career of their Olympic athlete. 10th was Dr. Raja Dandekar, amazing. I call him as alchemist. Is actually the transformer of the rural area, working on 5 aspects of education, women empowerment, those 5 parameters of that. 11th was the chief of Madhya Pradesh Police, Dr. Pramod Palnikar, and today 12th, Abhay Ghanegar.